Welcome to our channel, where we unveil the game changer in pet carpet cleaning. In this exciting YouTube video, we present the BISSELL Revolution HydroSteam Pet Carpet Cleaner, Model 3432, the ultimate upright multi-cleaner that will transform the way you tackle pet messes and stains on your carpets. Say goodbye to pet messes. Hello to freshness, pet owners. Rejoice. The BISSELL Revolution HydroSteam is specifically designed to combat the toughest pet stains, odors, and accidents. Powered by advanced HydroSteam technology, it harnesses the combined force of heat and steam to penetrate deep into carpet fibers, breaking down stubborn stains and removing lingering pet odors. Your carpets will not only look cleaner but also smell fresher, leaving your home a welcoming haven for both humans and furry friends. Unleash the power of clean. The BISSELL Revolution. HydroSteam boasts a large capacity water tank and a powerful motor, ensuring extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Its upright design allows for easy maneuverability, making it a breeze to navigate around furniture and corners. Watch as we demonstrate how this versatile multi-cleaner effortlessly refreshes your carpets, bringing them back to life. Beyond carpets, multi-purpose magic. But that's not all. The BISSELL Revolution. HydroSteam is not limited to carpets alone. With its versatile attachments, it seamlessly transitions to handle messes on upholstery, rugs, and more. Discover its full potential as we explore its various applications and witness its magic on different surfaces. Join us on this transformative carpet cleaning journey with the BISSELL Revolution HydroSteam Pet Carpet Cleaner 3432. Say hello to a cleaner, fresher home and bid farewell to pet mess woes. Hit that play button and unleash the power of clean.